Dear friends, good Monday for everybody. I'm recording it today to tell you about a very interesting drug, which is manufactured by the same company called 𝓓𝓞𝓞 in North Korea. The drug is unique in its characteristics. It's completely natural and it's made from legumes, specifically from a sauce. There are sauces from legumes, and in North Korea, Koreans, they consume a kind of soy sauce from which the company has learned to release a special enzyme that dissolves the lipid formation, the actual clots. It's unique in its characteristics. I use it. It looks like this. Twice a year. After 40 years, I started using it twice a year, that all my life. I've been damaging to my health and my blood vessels. Weren't in very good condition, but I got them back to normal. And now I'm actually maintaining them. So, 𝓕𝓡𝓞𝓞𝓚, or royal blood fresh, is made in the same 𝓓𝓞𝓞 factory in North Korea. North Korean drugs are different in that they don't have a mission of making money. They don't make money on the release of their medications. Their job is to cure a soldier, give him a rifle, and make him run to defend the 𝓕𝓡𝓔𝓢𝓗 idea. Well, that's their business, of course, but the main thing is that there is a result, which I felt. Until a few years ago, when I was introduced to this drug, my hands were numb. Every morning when I woke up, my hands were numb, and occasionally my legs went numb. Now, of course, that's all gone. And now I've been taking preventative courses in the spring and fall. I will tell you about 𝓕𝓡𝓞𝓞𝓚 is registered in 12 countries as a pharmacologic drug. This is, of course, the DPRK. This is Syria, New Zealand, Australia, and Mongolia, Japan, China, Russia, United Kingdom, Germany, Poland, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Kuwait, Egypt, South Africa, and Saudi Arabia. The distinctive qualities of 𝓕𝓚𝓞𝓞𝓚, or it's also called royal blood fresh, is its ability to rapidly dissolve fibrinogen, lipid expansion, lowering clotting levels, as well as its antioxidant properties. Dissolving fibrinogen reduces the main cause of blood clots and relieves most manifestations of thrombosis. Lipid expansion is an indispensable quality during the treatment of hyperglycemia. A high degree of blood clotting prevents the reoccurrence of blood clots by activation of tissue plasmalogen factors. Oxidative antioxidant properties promote rejuvenation, improve brain activity, and reduce the effects of poisons and radiation on the body. Royal blood fresh is prescribed as a primary treatment for diseases with most of the symptoms that precede or are already a consequence of cerebrovascular thrombosis, or a stroke that has already occurred, expressed in impaired coordination, anemia, memory loss, visual impairment, headaches. hemiplegia, nerve, speech, and visual impairment. Decreased brain activity, facial cramps, tremors in the extremities, headaches caused by myasthenia gravis, and hypertension, cerebral atherosclerosis, ischemic heart disease, angina pectoris, heart attack, atherosclerotic cardiosclerosis, hyperlipidemia, atherosclerosis. These are the main uses. As an adjunctive treatment, toxin poisoning, radiation and radioactive damage, and especially after chemotherapy. After chemotherapy, in diabetes mellitus, infectious and colds, hepatitis, long flight syndrome. The drug does not contain any chemically synthesized substances. It is made from legumes, and more precisely from the national sauce, which in turn is made from beans. The main ingredient is soda, an enzyme secreted by soybeans. 𝓕𝓡𝓔𝓢𝓗. Various natural vitamins found in soybeans, minerals, 𝓕𝓡𝓞𝓞𝓏, 𝓕𝓡𝓔𝓢𝓗. These are natural ingredients found in certain plants, like soy or red clover, as well as 𝓕𝓚. Method of administration. The scheme of treatment consists in a gradual increase in the single dose of tablets according to the scheme, which is given in the text file. For the effectiveness of the action of the drug, the patient should be transferred to a fat-free diet. Here's an example of how in the acute stage, the scheme of treatment. The first day, 3 times 5 capsules. Day 2, 3 times 6 capsules. Day 4, 4 times 8 capsules. Then on the 5th day, 5 times 9 capsules, and all the following days to keep this regimen until the onset of stable improvement. Then gradually reduce the dose to the original dosage, and then you can stop taking it. Patients in the chronic stage. For the first 4 days, take 4 capsules each time. Then, per day, continue to take 3 times each day, increasing by 1 capsule, and so up to 8 capsules at a time. I use already as a preventative. In the fall and spring of each year, you can take it prophylactically to clean the blood vessels from blood clots, and thus preventing the development of any moments in the body associated vascular diseases. The course of prophylaxis is 21 days. The first 5 days is taken 3 times 2 capsules, then 3 times 3 capsules, and so on for 21 days. The drug has no contraindications at all. Take knowledge, my friends, for the good and not to the detriment of those who are ill. I love you all. Kiss you all. Until we meet again. Goodbye.